and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY Glam Easter project. Today I'm doing a Glam flower box. I hope you enjoy. To start my project, I took this rustic style crate that I picked up from my local dollar store, and I took it outside and I gave it 2 coats of this beautiful mirrored like silver spray paint. I then took an A1 size of foam board. Now what I'm going to do here, guys, is I want to create a very large Easter egg. Just taking a pen, I tried to freehand a large egg. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but just try and get that shape that you're after. Off camera, I then took a craft knife and cut it out. I then took my egg outside and I spray painted the egg at the bottom in the silver, and I just went over with a light coat of white at the top. Once it was completely dry, I then took some Mod Podge and a paintbrush, and using the same method as my DIY glitter cushions, I did uneven strokes with the Mod Podge. I then took my silver glitter and dusted it lightly over the top. Now you'll notice here that my foam board has some creases at the bottom. I'm not concerned about them because I'll be gluing it to the back of the box. I then continued on with the Mod Podge and repeated the same steps. Once everything was in place, I took my trusty hairspray and gave it a very good coat. Once that was finished, I then took these dollar store flowers, and as much as I love them, guys, I wanted them to be white, so I took them outside and gave them a very light dusting of white spray paint. Now once they were dry, I then took my glitter and Mod Podge again, and what I want to do here, guys, is just add some silver to some of the petals. I just wanna give you all I can. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give. I'm simply adding small pieces of Mod Podge and then dusting it over with the glitter. I don't mind waiting for it to show. Something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you. I then repeated the same steps on both bunches of flowers, and then added some hairspray to secure the glitter in place. The one thing I love about working with flowers is that you can give them a makeover as well. Here, for example, guys, they were very, very pink, but I wanted to give them that aged look, and just by adding a dusting of white and still showing some pink through, I got that aged look with a sparkly touch with the glitter. I then came back to my little box. I was really happy with how the silver spray paint came, but I decided that I wanted to add a decorative touch to the front of the box. So I took these 2 dollar store adhesive mirrors and I placed one on either end. Once they were all secure in place, I then cut out a template of a little bunny onto some silver foam from the dollar store. I also added a little tail to him using a cotton ball. I glued him to the centre, and then taking some of this dollar store bling wrap, I added it around the sides and top of the bunny. Once everything was in place, I then glued my Easter egg to the back of the box. I then cut out another one of those cute little bunnies and I hot glued one to the left hand side. I then added my beautiful flowers. Now rather than adding floral foam, I simply just added these two resting over each other. However, if you wanted to, guys, you could definitely add some floral foam in there as well. And here is my adorable Glam glitter Easter box. I'm so happy with how this came, guys. I love anything sparkly and glam, and this was a simple and easy DIY that definitely had an Easter touch. This would make such a sparkly statement in your entryway. I love things that really make a statement in a home. And this was such a simple and easy DIY, guys. But with the glitter and a few inexpensive mirrors, it gave it that classy touch.
You'll find it within. She might feel the same. Get out there, get your shit together. You can't say.
My channel is always about trying to decorate on a budget, and this DIY, guys, is a prime example of that. Now, if you didn't have a box on hand, you could definitely still use a cardboard box for this. There are so many possibilities. You could take on different variations of this egg box, but I really love the sparkly touches that I've added here, and I hope that I can bring you some inspiration if you choose to do this DIY.
But once you get there, it'll be worth that little while. It's better to try and fall than not to try at all. She might feel the same. Get out there, get your shit together.
Is there an Easter DIY that you'd love for me to create? I'd love to hear your feedback, guys. Leave me a comment down below. I'm so inspired by you all, and I want to make you all happy by sharing ideas that I know that you'll love to do.
We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. 100 feet away, I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm getting older.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Glam Egg Easter flower box.
We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the best.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
What if I had never let you go?